Excellent translation, mashallah.
Explain verse 105.
This one?
Verse 105 Surah Al-Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تقولوا راعنا وقولوا انظرنا واسمعوا وللكافرين عذاب أليم.
Didn't you raise this question earlier in this class? No? Right. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تقولوا راعنا وقولوا انظرنا واسمعوا وللكافرين عذاب أليم. This verse applies to the munafiqeen. The translation is that, O those who have believed, do not address Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah sallam as Raina wa qulu unzurna wasma'u, and listen to him. Walil kafirin azabun alim, and those who reject the truth, for them there is a painful punishment. Right? Now this verse is further explained in the following verse and also referred to in other places. But I will remain to this verse alone. The meaning of Ra'i means show mercy to us, be kind to us. This word is from Ri'ayat. Show leniency towards us. And there is another word which is similar to this, which means to take care of the stock of animals like cows and sheep and goats, etc. So anyone who tends the flock of sheep, etc., is called Ra'i, or tender of the flocks, tends and tender of the flock. So because Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam, like all prophets did earlier, also tended the sheep or goats, etc., of his people as a boy, as a young boy. So they twisted their tongue, and instead of saying Raina, they said Raina. When you read it with the ya following, and pronounce it as Raina, it means, oh, tenderer of our sheep, or tender of our sheep, our flocks of animals, etc. So you are the one who used to do this when you were young. Now you become our Sardar. How can you become our leader? So this was the twist of their tongue, which became so insulting to Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah sallam. So the Holy Quran says, why don't you use a word which you cannot twist anyway? It is so clear. Unzurna means keep us in your sight, the sight of mercy. So look at us with favor, with kindness. This can be said by the word, expressed by the word unzurna. So the Holy Quran says, don't use a word which you twist consciously to insult Muhammad Rasulullah sallam. Because if you continue to do that, for people like you there is azabun alim. There is very painful punishment waiting for you. You don't know what you're doing. See? You understand the point now? Good.